Hi everybody, we have a data set here. We have the data set of an insurance company. We have the country, we have various details, and in the last column we have the gross premium. So in the summary sheet we need the gross premium of the country that is being selected. So we have a list here, and then once the country is selected, the total gross premium has to appear. So we will write a SUMIF formula. So SUMIF. So first is we need to select our range. So my range would be the country, and if you see here, I try to select the whole column of B, but whereas Excel has defaultly selected A to column AA, we will write the formula and see how can we override this, or how can we rectify this. My criteria is my country name, okay, and my sum range is my total gross premium. So this is my sum range. So since the proper columns are not selected, the total gross premium is 0. So there is a reason why Excel allows us to select column A to column AA default. So if you go to the insurance indicator sheet, and if we see the first column, it is merged. It is merged from column A to column AA. So when we, in our selection, when we include any merged columns, the whole range from which all the columns that has been included in the merge will be selected defaultly in Excel. So how can we override this, or how can we rectify this? So there are few ways that you can rectify. So the first way is you would not like to remove the merge. So but you know that your column, the country column, is column B, and the gross premium is in column AA. So what we can do is we can manually edit the formulas to mention my range is my column B, where the country is there, and my gross premium is in column AA. So now when I hit it, I get the total. So let us just do a quick check. So we see a total of $1,145. So it is the same, 1,145. So seems this is one way. Okay, the second way is let me just undo this. Okay, the second way is we can remove the filter and manually edit this. To the column, I'll just edit here. So this will also rectify the issue. Okay, and lastly, we can, the other way is we can just select the range from column, from the second row. So this would also rectify the error that was previously occurring. Thank you.